Hello friends, once again and welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. Today I am here with a new video. It is totally different from other videos because in this one I will talk about how you can score better marks in 10th standard board exam, especially in the English. That is the first language for the English medium students. Okay, and before I have to proceed, just I'm requesting to all of you, please just like my video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It is very important just to motivate myself for making new videos in future. Now come to the topic. In 10th standard for English, that 80 marks written paper is there, and by watching my videos, this is the first video, and you will watch my part 2, part 3, the video related to this one. You will understand that really how we may get out of 80 more than 70. Lot of techniques are there. All these things just I will give you, especially in my videos. And 80 marks paper, you know very well, 3 hours paper is that. In that one, what I decided that I will guide you all parts in different videos. This is my first video where I am taking the first part, language study. And in that language study, you know very well, grammar part is that really how you can score well, how you can get better marks. That I am explaining by this video. Yeah, so just in this video I will clarify, I will give you the portion also of this language study part as well as the format of the question paper. In that first part what will be there. Yeah, now see the video. Yeah friends, first thing keep in mind that this language study will be for 10 marks and it will be divided into 3 parts. And all 3 parts, their different labels will be there, which you must know about that. Yeah, and in that one, see question number 1A, that is of simple label, and in that one, that is for the 4 marks, and you have to attempt any 4. And listen, whatever you are seeing on the screen, these are the topics which will come in this part, but not all. Let me clarify, only 4. I have clarified that also, I have highlighted that. Okay, just I am highlighting once again that part here, that what is written here, attempt any 4. These are the topics which I am showing you. First is here what, write 2 compound words of your own. You have to make 2 compound words just by yourself, because these words will not be given to you. And why written here the simple label? Because these questions are easier actually. So here the first part is here, it is the question number first A1, that is the simple label. Here the easier questions are there. Make a meaningful sentence by using given phrase. Here the phrase will be given to you. You have to frame sentence on the basis of that. Phrases part is here. First was the compound word. Third, pick out an infinitive or gerund or participle. You know very well non-finite verbs. Here what I am saying, and use in your own sentence. You have to pick out infinitive, gerund or participle, anyone will be there, and frame sentence by that. In your own sentence. In your sentence, that word should be there. And all these different topics, my videos are there. You can check my channel for different topics. Next, spot the error and rewrite the sentence. Sentence will be given to you. You have to find out where the mistake is there, and you have to rewrite the sentence. Find out hidden words from given word. Yeah, one big word will be given to you. Many letters will be there, and you have to find out how many hidden words are possible from that. Identify the type of sentence based on its form. Here don't confuse. Here the type of sentence means don't think about the simple, compound, complex. Here you have to write only the sentences that affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. That thing keep in mind. Yeah, and after that, not only this, some other topics are also there. Let me clarify. Yeah, in this one, in this label. Yeah, see on the screen. Complete the word chain of nouns, verbs, adjective. Here the word chain, Remember one thing, in the word chain what do we do? That the same type of parts of speech, that one noun means one noun word will be given to you and you have to, okay, what will you do? You have to just make a word chain by seeing the last letter, noun, verb, adjective. Only all these three will be there. Don't think about any other one. Noun, verb, adjective, no adverb here, only three. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order. It is one of the easiest one, I can say. Alphabetical order. The word will be given to you. You have to rearrange it. And last one, form present or past participle where the last letter is doubled. Form present or the past participle. You know very well participle are two types and you have to just double it. Like run is there. Running, RUNNING. This way you have to double the last letter. That thing you have to do especially in first part. I said the simple label. All these are the topics and you will get 4, right? You have to attempt them. And now we will come to the next one. That is the medium label. Yeah. See that A2 part medium label, attempt any 2, 4 marks. Remember it. Here the 2 questions you have to attempt and each for 2 marks. Earlier in the first part what was there? Each for 1 mark. So it was the simple easier label. But here is what? Here there are 2 marks. Means little difficulties might be there. See the first one. Make 2 sentences. Make 2 sentences of your own to show the difference of homophones and homographs. You have to watch my video where I have made a separate video, 2 separate videos actually, one for homophone, one for homograph. So you have to frame your own sentence of your own. What is it? Make 2 sentences of your own to show difference of homophone and homograph. Next one is the conversion of tenses. Yeah, the tense will be there. That the, like suppose simple present tense is given, you have to make the simple past. Tense subtypes you know very well, all 3, 4 present, 4 past, 4 future, total 12. So you have to interchange that. And that is the direct and indirect speech. Yes, direct and indirect speech sentence might be there. You have to change into the indirect. Or sometime indirect will be given, you have to change to direct. Change the voice, active to passive or sometime passive to active. And make a word register of 4 words based on the given word. One word will be given to you and you have to make similar or related to that words. If you have not watched my video of the word register, you have to just remember one thing, like suppose I am saying school. School word is there. So what is the word register? Like teacher, student, bench, table, school building. A lot of words are there. So related to that is called the word register. Okay? Yeah. Now we will see the next one, that is the higher label. That is the question number first B. Here the difficulty level will be little bit higher. Challenging activities. We have given the name to this one, challenging activities. First was the simple, second medium level, and third is the challenging. And here also what is here? That is the attempt anyone. Sorry, by mistake it is the 4 marks written. It will be 2 marks there. 4 plus 4 plus 2. Yeah, here the mistake is there. Please take care about that. Yeah, that is only for the 2 marks. Yeah. Now see which topics might be here. Use of same given word as a noun as well as a verb in a different sentences. Like one word will be given to you and by that word you have to use that word in 2 sentences. And in that one, that word in first sentence will be in noun form and second one it should be in the verb form. And please here don't be confused. Here what I am saying, it is only the 2 marks. It is a typing error actually from my side. Sorry for that. Pick out modal auxiliary and state its function. Modal auxiliary, one sentence will be given to you. You have to pick out which type of auxiliary is that, and state is function like ability, permission, whatever type is that. So you have to write a type also, otherwise you will get only half mark. And next is the degrees of comparison. You know very well, positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, and here what I am saying, here the anyone will be given to and you have to change it, or sometimes they might give you the change in both forms, like positive given, change in comparative and superlative. Next one is the analyze, synthesize, transformation of sentences. Be careful. No? In A1 what I said, you have to identify the sentence. It was the affirmative, assertive, interrogative, that one. Here is what? Analyze. You have to analyze, try to find out which type of sentence is that. Okay, and synthesize. Synthesize is here what the combining. Combine, add the sentences, and transfer sentence from simple to compound, compound to complex. So all three parts are there: analyzing, identifying, synthesizing, combining, adding, and lastly transformation. And last one is the use the two given words in a single meaningful sentence. I think this one is easier for you. Use two given words in a single meaningful sentence. Two words will be given to you, and both words you have to just frame, adjust in a given sentence. And this might be easier for you. So what I'm saying is 10 marks is here. Here out of 10 marks you can get easily, but you have to just go through all these topics, and it's very scoring. And now just watch my next video where I will clarify first the writing skill, then third part now I will clarify the text part, then in the fourth video I will summarize everything. Okay, so I think all these doubts might be clear regarding the first question, language study. Okay, all the best for your board exam, which will be very soon. And last, please just like my post, like my video, share with your friends, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.